In this video, you'll learn how to change the name of your iPhone in just a few simple steps. I will walk you through the process step by step, making it as easy and straightforward as possible. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap where it says General. After that, tap on About, and now you'll be able to see the name of your device. If you want to change it, simply tap on Name, and then remove the current name and enter whatever name you want. For example, I can enter Tech Tutor. And then tap Done. And now this will be the new name of my iPhone. If you want to change the name of your Apple ID, just go back to the main settings page. And at the very top of the page, you'll see the name associated with your Apple ID. Just tap on that. And then tap where it says Name, Phone Numbers, and Email. After that, tap on your name at the top. And now you can enter your first, middle, and last name. Once you've typed that in, tap Done at the top right corner. And it will save the changes. So now what you want to do next is restart your device, and you'll be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.